Welcome to Qizhong Chemicals. Today we will take you on an in-depth look at the process of wood-based powdered carbon from production to application. Wooden powdered carbon, made from wood and processed through a special process, is a kind of powdered activated carbon. It is widely used in water treatment, food, and pharmaceutical industries for its high adsorption performance. Our wood-powdered carbon uses high-quality wood as raw material to ensure the purity and efficiency of the product. The wood is carbonized at high temperature and then activated by physical or chemical methods to form highly adsorbent wood-powdered carbon. The produced pulverized carbon is finely sieved to meet the needs of different grid sizes and finally packaged in standard 25 kilograms per bag or customized packaging for shipping according to customer requirements. Our wood-based powdered carbon can effectively adsorb large organic molecules, which plays an important role in the fields of food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, water treatment, and so on. Meanwhile, our products have passed NSF, halal, and kosher certifications to ensure food-grade safety standards. In the lab, we can see how the wood powder carbon can quickly and effectively remove the color from the solution, demonstrating its excellent decolorization ability. Qizhong Chemicals is committed to providing high-quality wood-based powdered carbon to meet your every need. We are committed to fast shipping and worldwide delivery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more industry news.